friction is the resistance between two surfaces that are sliding or trying to slide across one another. Let's try sliding these two pages together. They move over one another pretty easily. You really don't notice it, but there is some friction occurring between these two sheets of paper. But what might happen if we take multiple sheets and overlap them? Okay, let's try pulling the notebooks apart. It's impossible. Overlapping the pages allows the smallest amount of friction from each page to be added together, which makes it nearly impossible to slide the notebooks apart. Challenge a friend to pull the notebooks apart and show them how strong the power of friction really can be. And remember, until next time, keep learning, full steam ahead.